I'm now installing this memory onto the motherboard. First, the first slot. See how this snaps in? Now the second one. This way. There you have it. Installing memory onto the motherboard.